You're watching WPBF 25 News at 11.
A Melbourne, Florida man filed a wrongful death lawsuit today against a Jupiter charter boat captain for the death of the man's wife during a scuba excursion near the Lake Worth Inlet. It happened just when Palm Beach County was first shut down in March because of the pandemic. I talked with the grieving man and with his lawyer. The lawsuit alleges that the Florida Scuba Charter's dive boat left for open water Sunday, March 29th. Sean and Molly Flynn, who worked together at a landscape business, were among the divers on that boat. By the time the boat returned, according to the suit, Molly was dead. The defendants, including dive boat captain Dustin McCabe, have not yet responded to the wrongful death allegations in the pending lawsuit just filed. Do you go over that day in your mind over and over again?
Do I go over it in my mind every day?
Mm-hmm.
Most days.
And what's life like for you now?
Very empty. Very empty. Like I said, I got to work with my best friend. I got to live with my best friend. I don't got any of that now.
Among the allegations in Sean Flynn's lawsuit are the medical examiner's findings regarding Molly Flynn's cause of death after conducting the autopsy. Drowning with chop wounds of the lower extremities as a significant contributing factor.
She either drowned or she was cut so dramatically by the propellers that she bled to death.
Sean Flynn claims in his suit that when he and Molly surfaced from their dive, they were waved over by the crew to approach the boat. The lawsuit says as they tried to reboard the 48-foot-long Southern Comfort about a mile and a half from the Lake Worth Inlet, Captain McCabe reversed the gear shift, sucking both of the Flynns under the boat, and Molly became entangled in the moving propellers. Several people worked to rescue her.
I went back under and I unwrapped her, got her out.
Sean did his best to try to rescue his beautiful wife. I think by that point there was really nothing he could do because the propellers had already done the damage.
The lawsuit accuses Dustin McCabe of, quote, negligently reversing the vessel when people were in the water. It further claims it was Captain McCabe's second day using the nearly 50-foot boat for dive charters, which was much larger than the 30-foot Sea Scout he had been using for charters. The suit alleges that the day before, McCabe was, quote, unable to control and maneuver the vessel into the gas dock and ran it aground, breaking the rudder. That would have been one day before Molly Flynn died. I did reach boat captain Dustin McCabe by phone. He declined comment for this report. Now Sean Flynn is just trying to hold his life together alone.
I just stay busy. I could sit in the corner and cry all day long, but that wouldn't do any good.
Spokesperson for the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission confirmed to me that Molly Flynn's death is under investigation by the FWC. The lawsuit notes that in March, a Palm Beach County emergency order closed all boat docks, ramps, and marinas used for recreational purposes, including fishing charters, boat tours, and diving excursions. That was March 22nd, exactly 1 week before Molly Flynn died. The lawsuit alleges McCabe violated that order by taking the Flynns out on that dive charter.